Mastering idioms, unpacking, pulled a fast one. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the intriguing world of English idioms. We're unpacking the phrase, pulled a fast one, a fascinating expression that can add a playful or critical tone to your conversation. Let's explore its meaning, origin, and how you can use it effectively in everyday conversations. The phrase, pulled a fast one, is an idiom used to describe a situation where someone has been deceived or tricked in a clever or sneaky way. It often implies that the person who was tricked did not see it coming and was caught off guard by the cunning of the other person. While the exact origin of pulled a fast one is not clear, it's believed to have come from the world of sports or gambling in the early 20th century. It was used to describe a move or play that was unexpected and clever, often leaving the opponent surprised and outmaneuvered. Let's see how pulled a fast one is used in daily conversations. 1. In personal relationships, I can't believe Jake sold my concert tickets without telling me. He really pulled a fast one on me. 2. In business, the company pulled a fast one by changing the contract's terms at the last minute. 3. In general, she managed to skip the entire queue by pretending to be a staff member. She really pulled a fast one there. While pulled a fast one can be used in a light-hearted context, it's important to be cautious as it inherently implies deception. It might not be suitable in formal or sensitive situations due to its negative connotations. Now you're equipped to understand and use the idiom, pulled a fast one, in your conversations. Whether you're describing a clever trick or expressing surprise at someone's cunning, this phrase adds color and depth to your language. Happy speaking, and remember, the beauty of language lies in its nuances and expressions.